Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yellowfin tuna sushi. Start with the freshest sushi-grade yellowfin tuna you can find, ideally from a trusted source. Once home, gently pat the fish completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for proper handling and presentation. Then, with a very sharp knife, carefully slice the tuna against the grain into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Aim for consistent thickness for the best sushi experience. Next, let's prepare the foundation, perfect sushi rice. Begin by rinsing about 2 cups of short-grain sushi rice thoroughly until the water is completely clear. Cook the rice as directed, usually with 2½ cups of water, then let it cool slightly. While still warm, gently fold in a seasoned vinegar mixture to give it that signature sushi flavor and texture. Now for the fun part, assembling your nigiri. First, lightly moisten your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Take a small, approximately 1-ounce portion of the seasoned sushi rice and gently form it into an oval shape. Then, carefully place one of your perfectly sliced yellowfin tuna pieces on top, pressing it lightly to secure it. Repeat this process for all your tuna. Your delicious yellowfin tuna sushi is now ready to be enjoyed. Arrange your beautifully crafted nigiri on a platter for an appealing presentation. Serve it immediately with traditional accompaniments like a small dish of soy sauce, a dab of spicy wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger. Savor the fresh, delicate flavors and the satisfying texture of your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.